Welcome to 3rd Mayor Steven Palmares National Motocross, National Invitational Motocross Competition 2005.
The proud Pasenon. Pasenon is now second.
Expert Production.
Third is Carl. Jamie Davenport. Okay. So we will wait for this 80 tracks of racing. Okay. Napakita ang gilas ngayon ang baguhang rider, no, ng Pasig City. He is now right behind Mako Limata.
Makong Dimata, nangunguna from Mindanao. Followed by Joshua Pareño. Number 4. I think Makong Dimata is the only guest rider for this category. Ang laki ng lamang agad ni Makong Dimata. Right behind him is Joshua Pareño on second position.
Okay, we have Makong Dimata, Joshua Pareño. We have Carl.
Number 4.
Okay,
Carl Rivera. JB Macabak 4th.
Okay, and we have
5th. I think that's Salanatin.
And we have Steve Gallego.
Gallego. That's Makong Dimata. Front stage area. Followed by Joshua Pareño. Third, JB Macabak. Number 4. 4th, JB Macabak. Salanatin 5th. Joe Ed Bachoco 6th.
136, number 9, Yamaha 633.
May problema at ang motor ni Jay Ocaban. On the screen right now, you will be able to notice that's from Pasig City, Joshua Pareño. That's Makong Dimata leading the race for expert production category.
Okay, habulan pa rin. Joshua
Triple clear.
Makong Dimata.
Makong Dimata heading for the roller section. Pareño second.
Ayan, napangan natin si JB Macabak, no? Kabakbakan ngayon si Salanatin with Steve Bachoco and Steve Gallego.
Makong Dimata still.
And
First. Followed by Pareño. At least 4 seconds behind. Number 4, that's Carl Rivera. Third. Salanatin. Kinuha si JB Macabak. 4th. Macabak 5th. Bachoco 6th. Dimata pa rin, number 1. Or nangunguna.
Okay. Andiyan na sila.
Solid din na pinapakita ng batang to.
Go!
Malinis.
Nagpapas na kuha si JB.
Oy, I can see some pressure on Joshua. Medyo nag-overrev siya doon.
Okay.
So 10 laps po tayo. Let's see kung anong strategy ang gagawin ni Joshua over the lead of Makong Dimata. Nakita natin doon,
Ayan, JB Macabak na.
Joe Ed Bachoco, cleared triple. Medyo sumikip ng konti pero walang contact. Dimata again.
Oh, I love it.
Joshua Pareño, second. Carl Rivera.
Joshua Pareño, ang baguhang rider ng Pasig City. At naging expert rider na ngayon.
Salanatin, Bachoco, Macabak.
The rookie. Okay. So third is Carl Rivera.
Try po natin identify yung mga riders natin individually. Yung area po natin nasa gilid lang ng stage. So yung ibang area ng racetrack di natin masyadong nakikita. So split second lang yung pagkakataon natin basahin yung mga race plate nila. Alright, here's Joshua Pareño. That's Salanatin, followed by Bachoco. followed by JR Bacabak.
Okay, magsi-showtime na, no? Joshua Parillo ang papato ng Pasig City. Third is from P. Pacquiao. Mindanao.
Dimata pa rin.
Okay, we'll wait.
Solid run na itong batang to.
Wala natin ang Joel Pachoco. Yan si Joel.
Always kinukuha yung outside line for more momentum.
Okay,
Joshua,
Jamie Bacabak
same race line.
from Iloilo City. And
Second, Carl Rivera. Third,
Okay, Romer, gas station, takes the lead. Alright, taking the lead now is Macong Dimata. Riding for
Dimata pa rin.
gas station.
roller section.
So, veterans. All veterans, going back.
Solid ng race line ni Dimata. So far walang error. Enjoying the lead, almost 5 seconds ahead over Joshua Pareño of Pasig City. So host rider po ito, a local of Pasig City, Joshua Pareño. Lumalapit na. I think not enough pa rin. Maganda pinapakita ni Macong Dimata.
Okay, white flag. White flag for Macong Dimata.
White flag na agad tayo.
Station.
Alright.
Okay, followed by
Last lap.
rider, the rookie.
Will Joshua Pareño
Joshua Parillo,
able to close in
the proud Pasinhon.
sa 5 or 6 seconds na lamang ni Dimata? Mahirapan itong batang to. Kaka-exit lang nila ng roller section.
Okay, pang-apat na si Joel.
There you go. Stage area. That's Macong Dimata still. No error for that guy.
Okay, ang lima na, ayun, si Sanari.
Nasa likod lang, Joshua Pareño.
On 7, 6, that is
Ang layo ng dalawa sa 3rd and 4th actually.
Gallego.
Checker flag na. Carl Rivera, 3rd. Pachoco, 4th. Sala natin, 5th.
Checker flag.
Alright, that's Macong Dimata. Took
Okay,
the Moto2 for expert production category.
Macong Dimata.
What a clean run
Pinoy.
for Macong
Riding Team
Dimata.
Roller, last station. No! Nice whip.
Still a solid
No!
race for Joshua Pareño.
Nice whip by Joshua Parillo.
A solid second.
Nagpakitang bigas,
Position.
no, ang Pasinhon. Ah?
3rd, Carl Rivera.
And sa lahat ng
Fourth,
camera
Pachoco.
units. Third is Rivera.
Fifth,
Fourth, Pachoco,
Salanatin.
And Salanatin, fifth. Gallego, 6 from Dimas.
Gallego, 6th.
And Jamie Bacaba. Thank you, expert.